Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel Logic Flow. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about size of operator and we have also seen an example program. In today's video we will discuss about comma operator. So this is also one of the special operator. So let's get started with this. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the new videos. So let us talk about the special operator, comma operator. So this comma operator, when it is used in variable declaration, say for example I say int x comma y comma z, then it is used as a separator. So it is used as a separator. But it can also be used as an operator. So comma can be used as a separator when we use it in the variable declaration, and it can also be used as an operator. So let us see how it can be used as an operator with this example program. So in this example program we have two variables A and B. So as the compiler encounters the variable declaration statement, what it is going to do? It is going to allocate the memory for those two variables according to its data type. So we have 2 bytes of memory allocation if it is 32-bit machine. Now, here is an expression. We say A equal to, within brackets, we say 2, 3, 4. So now, we have this comma operator used here as an operator but not as a separator. So now what the compiler will do, it is going to check the expression. Well, the expression is in brackets. So when we have the expression in brackets, brackets will have the highest priority. So according to the precedence of the operators, brackets will have the highest precedence. And one more point to say, comma, the operator comma is having the least precedence. It is having the least precedence. So let us get back to this expression here. So we have the expression 2, 3, 4 and we have that in the brackets. So since bracket is having highest priority, now let us see how this expression gets evaluated. So I can just say this is the expression with three operands. Operand 1, operand 2 and operand 3. Operand 1 is 2, operand 2 is 3, operand 3 is 4. My input values for operand 1, the first input is 2, second input is 3 and the third input is 4. Operands are nothing but the inputs. So now what the compiler will do, as it is in the brackets gets evaluated. So according to the complete expression, when we just look into this complete expression, we have totally two operators. One is assignment operator, equal to operator, and we have this comma operator. Now it is not a separator, it is an operator. So we have two operators. One is assignment, which is equal to, and one more we have the operator which is comma operator. We have comma operator which is the symbol comma. Now the compiler will get into this operator as the comma operator has the least priority when compared to equal to. But here this comma operator, that what we have, it is in the parenthesis, that is in the brackets. Bracket will have the highest priority. So this bracket content gets evaluated first. Maybe, so here we have the assignment operator, we have comma operator. Assignment operator has the highest priority when compared to comma. Comma has the least priority. But these operands that what we have with the comma operator is within the brackets. So then the compiler checks that the evaluation, when it is going to evaluate this expression, it will check that bracket will have more priority. So the brackets content has to be evaluated first. So it will come to this point, the first operand 2 and then 3 and then it will proceed, then it will go to 4. So 2, 3. So here what happens, we have to check with the associativity of the expression. So the associativity of the comma operator. So we have comma operator within the brackets. As we have brackets are getting evaluated first. When we get inside the brackets, we have comma. What about the associativity? So associativity talks about in which order the operators have to be evaluated. So the associativity of the comma operator is from left to right. It is from left to right. It has to move towards right. So I started with 2, then 2 gets discarded. It will proceed with 3. Even 3 gets discarded. My final value, which is towards right, will be considered. So my final value is 4 and that will be transferred to the variable A. So here complete, there is no more operands. Operand 1 discarded, operand 2 discarded. My final operand, which is towards right, is 4. So operand 3 value, then this assignment operator gets evaluated. So that value will be the final value and that final value will be assigned to the variable A. That is R value to L value, what the assignment has to do with. So we have 2 operators, assignment and comma. As this comma operator is in brackets, evaluation started with this. We get into this bracket, we have comma. So comma is the operator with the associativity left to right. So I start from left and move towards right. 2 gets discarded, 3 gets discarded. My final value that is towards right is 4. That is the final value. Then this assignment operator gets evaluated or it gets executed. So this final value 4 will be stored to A. So when I say print the value of A, my value will be 4 here. Then I see there is one more expression. I have said 2, 3 and 4. So here what happens? We don't have any brackets. We have 2 operators now. We have equal to and we have comma. So according to the precedence of the operators, equal to have the highest priority, comma has the least priority. So then what happens, what the compiler will do, as the comma is having least priority, equal to gets executed first. So what it will do, it will take this first value and it will simply assign to this variable B and 3, 4 gets discarded. So here what will be the value stored in B? It is 2. So when I say print the value of these 2 variables A and B, A will get the value 4, B will get the value 2. So this is what with the comma operator. It all depends on the precedence of the operators also. We'll talk about the precedence of the operators in separate video in detail. So let's see one more example. With that you can still more understand how this comma operator is going to work. So let us see one more example for comma operator. So in this program we have 4 variables A, B, C and D. And here you have an expression D equal to this complete expression and it is being used with comma operator. So what the comma operator will do, as I said, it is going to execute the sequence of instructions with the associativity from left to right and comma has the least priority, least precedence. Now what the compiler will do, the associativity is from left to right. So just we have to observe the operators first here. So whenever we see an expression, we have to look into the operators first. So here we have the comma operator and we have equal to. According to the precedence, equal to is having highest priority, comma is having least priority. But we have these operands within brackets. Operand 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these operands are within brackets. Bracket is having highest priority when compared to equal to. So this brackets gets evaluated first. So what the compiler will do, it will get into this bracket and it will evaluate this complete expression with the associativity of left to right because it is having the comma operator. So it starts from left to right. It evaluates all these operands. It means to say A equal to 1 means A will get the value 1. B equal to 2, B will get the value 2. C equal to 3, C will get the value 3. Then the next sequence of operation is A plus B plus C. Evaluate this also. So compute A plus B plus C from left to right towards right, I am evaluating. My final operand is this. I am going to add up all these values. It is a plus b plus c. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is 6. So my final expression that is towards right is 6. And then you have equal to. That is the next operator that what the compiler has to evaluate. So my final operand value is 6, which is towards right. So this value 6 gets stored to D. According to assignment, the R value will be assigned to L value. So the D will get the value 6. And when I say printf percentage D, print the value of D, my output will be 6. But if I interchange this complete expression, so for example, I just write it as a plus b plus c as the first operand, a equal to 1 the next, b equal to 2 the next, and c equal to 3. So what will be my value here? Look at here. I say d equal to. If I write this in this way, what happens? Again, bracket has to be evaluated first. It will say a plus b plus c. There is nothing to do with a plus b plus c because there will be no values for a plus b plus c. It is empty. Nothing to evaluate. Then I say a equal to 1, yes, done. B equal to 2, it's done. Then I say c equal to 3. So, associativity from left to right, I am evaluating my final right hand side operand value is 3. And this value will be stored to D. So, my value in D will be 3. So, this is how the comma operator is going to work. Well, that's all for today's video. Hope you have understood with this comma operator. And I want you people to execute these programs. And in the next coming videos, I'll make sure that we will make some practical session videos. So, please stay tuned to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.